Wow,
Where's your camera,
Sean.
Mom?
I got it. Vanya, you want to come next to Sean?
There's mine next to Vanya. Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Shawnee.
Sean, blow it.
Happy birthday to you.
Look,
Okay,
blow the
blow.
candle.
Blow. No. Now
Yeah.
this one. Make a wish.
Yay! Happy birthday! Yay!
All right.
No, you can't do it.
Light them again real quick, and let's do that one more time.
Sean's gonna do it again.
Can I make a wish on that one?
No. No.
Nana, can I
Ready?
Let's set go.
Go.
Let's set go.
Okay.
Make a wish.
Yay.
Nana, can I blow on this candle? Can I
And
blow?
could you help him cut
I
the
tried.
cake?
Can I blow?
You didn't do it
I
still?
tried getting it.
Could you help him cut the cake?
It was pretty close.
You want me to do it again?
I'm
No.
gonna blow this candle, okay?
Get the knife. Help him cut a
Leave that
cake.
alone. Stop messing with stuff.
Did you get it? Lit up?
Happy
Do
birthday.
you want to
They
get
don't
him
need no
a
help.
knife? Cut him.
They don't need no help.
Because I can take it, put it in the picture. Because I'm still doing it.
What, you want him to cut the cake?
Yeah, like,
Hey,
you know, help
can
him.
we get that away from him, Vanya, please?
Yes.
And get it away from the cake?
You want to help him cut the cake?
You're dead.
Yay, Sean! Help! Look at this! Cut the cake!
So don't ever ask me again.
Well, I
Don't work.
asked you a long time ago to go buy a new one. Here.
Cut it, Sean! Yay!
Oh, good job. Here. Look.
Ooh, look at the raspberry filling. Nope, he's got it.
Look at that!
Nana, can I have some of Sean?
Some of Sean?
Can I have some of Sean?
No, we're not going that way. Well, we could go that way.
Wow, Sean, you like it?
You're not going to give his name, though.
Why?
Sean,
Because
you
I don't
like
wanna
it?
cut up there. Yet.
Oh,
Get your fork. Are you guys having
Let's
cake?
do
Heck
it
yes, we are.
Sean, you like the cake?
Cake.
Look
Take a
at me.
bite of it. Oh.
Yummy!
Yummy.
Yeah.
Is it good?
That's good, huh, Shawnee?
Sean, is it good?
Sprinkles.
You like the outside frosting, too? Or you like
Nope, I like inside stuff.
Sean, you like it?
cake right now?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'll take this outside. What about you, Miriam? You like